Installing Blackboard Ultra on your mobile phone is easy. You go to Play Store and type in Blackboard Learn app. It then brings up the that icon there, Blackboard. So I've already installed it, but when I open it, it will ask me for my university, and then I type in Cape Peninsula University of Technology. Select that one. Your university requires web login. Okay, that's fine. Continue to web login. So the same page that you would see on your laptop would come up. You select the third-party account, which is the Microsoft account, 365 account, because we're logging in through Microsoft. You will select your student account, but for the purpose of clarity and more features, I'll use my staff account. And then it will ask you for the login data over there. So my username is my email, my full email address. So use your saved password. I can use that. Click on next, and then I will type in my password. Which is, oops. Okay, so I've typed in my password, and then it comes up with, if you read through all the terms and conditions over here, right? And you can select agree once you've scanned through it. And then allow Blackboard to send you notifications. We can allow that. So this process now downloads or accesses all the courses that you are enrolled for, and it should populate all those courses for you. So it has now populated all the courses for you, and you're able to browse through the list of subjects, okay? Or you can filter, by typing the first 3 letters for the course that you're looking for. And of course, from there, you can just click on the course on your mobile phone and look at the various features that are available on there, like your content at this stage, okay? Okay, for this, there's no content, and so forth. So this is a brief tutorial on how to install a Blackboard on your mobile phone, as well as accessing it from there.